Remember, if equations are equivalent and operations are applied correctly to both sides, the solution remains the same in all equivalent equations. If the operations are not applied to both sides properly, the solution will change. Noah is buying a pair of jeans and using a coupon for 10% off. The total price is $56.70, which includes $2.70 in sales tax. Noah's purchase can be modeled by the equation x minus 0.1x plus 2.7 equals 56.7. Discuss with a partner. A. What does the solution to the equation mean in this situation? B. How can you verify that 70 is not a solution, but 60 is the solution? Now, what if we change the equation? 100x minus 10x plus 270 equals 5,670. What changed? How does it change your interpretation? Does it have the same solution?